All right, now let's take a look at the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is where a line hits or intercepts or crosses the y-axis. So if you look at every graph, and we looked at the slope of this line already, but now we're going to look at the y-intercept. Every graph has an x-axis, which is this line going from left to right, and then you have the y-axis, which is the one we want to look at for the y-intercept. You look at the y-axis. This blue line that is this graph, this line that we're looking at, it is hitting the y-axis right here. So the y-axis and the line hit at -2. So the y-intercept is -2. Now in the world of writing equations of lines, we use the letter B to represent the y-intercept. And I don't actually know why that is right now, but I can look it up for us. But the y-intercept is the letter B, so the y-intercept for this one is -2. The y-intercept is pretty easy to find. So let's try it again. So that second line that we already found the slope for, this was a negative slope. We had to go down 3 and to the right 2. Now let's find the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. We use the letter B to represent the y-intercept. So remember, you have an x-axis, which goes left to right, but we want to use the y-axis. The y-axis intersects the line that is graphed right here when y is worth 2. So the y-intercept is 2. So whenever you're looking for the y-intercept, you're looking for where the y-axis and the line that is drawn cross or intersect.